GPRO stock analysis and GPRO stock prediction for Tuesday. So in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 45,000 videos and has all the proof and everything on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's working and what's not. Especially with GPRO, GoPro. Because it was going down, I was like, if this is sort of like kind of a swing that I was kind of talking about here, the only time where it's going to be bearish if I saw a double break, if you really wanted to go that route. But it didn't, and it shifted, which is good. Because the market is now pumping up, of course, that's a direction that I want to be a part of. And we never got no rules there met, so here we come. Here's the top, here's my 30-minute chart. Right, the only thing that I would look to do is if the price does pull down, it gives me a double break, then and only then I would look to take it up. Randomly doing so will not be happening. And I'm certainly doing in the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. So that's GoPro. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.